How to add a map to Google Sites. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a map into your Google Sites. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We are going to head over sites.google.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to find the Sites dashboard. So basically we're going to select one of the recent websites that we want to add at this specific map for, or we can go ahead and create a new website if we do not have a site already. So I'm going to just click on it. The website editor is going to be very fluid, very simple, and also very agile. So as you can see here, we have the website added. Now what we're going to do is going to be very simple. You can go ahead and head over Google Maps, for example, Google Maps like that, and head over, I don't know here, a specific place on the map. So as you can see here, this is the map that we're going to use. For example, I'm going to choose this city, and we can go ahead and click on share, embed a map, and then we're going to copy the HTML. For example, we have medium, small, large, or a custom size map. We can go ahead and head over here, and we can basically add an embed. So we are going to click on embed, embed code, paste the code, next, insert, boom. This is our map. So this is, as you can see, the first method. Or you can go ahead and head over here, the right side of the screen. We can go ahead and see from here maps. So it is going to be the guided method from the Google Sites and also from Google Maps. Click on Maps, and you're going to choose the specific place that you want. For example, I am going to have the same city, for example, or another city. Doesn't matter a lot. So I'm going to choose this one. So I can go ahead and zoom in a little bit, drop a mark like this, click on select, and you're going to see this. As you can see, this is a more responsive map, and also maybe more, let's say here, controllable. So since it is going to be integrated into our website, just like that, I think that this one is better. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.